Starting with your posterior shoulder, you want to stay bent over, supporting with one hand, biasing your thumb up towards the ceiling, and you're going to be raising a weight or just the arm itself, pulling in through your shoulder girdle. Thumb again biasing up towards the ceiling. We are alternating between T's and Y's. The T coming all the way out, not much further than your torso, and back down with your shoulder blades constantly in mind. The Y, of course, coming up in the diagonal and then back down. With Arnolds, you're gonna want to pull the arms up from your sides, palms facing towards you, and then rotating the palms outward, giving a nice rotation, bringing the arms overhead. And then at your side, bringing them back up, facing towards you, punching up towards the ceiling, you're rotating those palms away from you. And then at your sides, you can let your sternum come forward a little bit, retracting your shoulder blades, bringing the arms at your side. And we're showing here multiple angles from which you can do this. Additionally, you can use a physio ball, and here I am setting myself up so that you're essentially resting in a plank position over the physio ball. That physio ball is going to position itself somewhere around your bottom half of the sternum, keeping the glutes squeezed nice and tight. This will help you anchor yourself in a plank-like posture, spreading the feet fairly wide, squeezing those glutes, and again, thumb biased up towards the ceiling. You're going to be going from T's, anywhere from 8 to 10, 12 repetitions, depending on your weight. And then same thing with a diagonal Y position. Think YMCA when you're doing that. In addition, there is a complicated motion where you're rowing, rotating externally, and punching up towards the ceiling, back down. Again, you are situated over a physio ball here, and you can play around with that physio ball positioning for your chest, and the further down you go, closer to the abdomen, the tougher it shall be. Again, retracting, externally rotating, punching up towards the ceiling, bringing it back down into this 90-degree angle, rotating back, and then down.